Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Copper Top Productions. In this week's video we're going to be chucking that seat and those rails in the E36. Bit of a garbage seat, bit of a garbage car, so it doesn't really matter. Getting the car ready for our very next drift day, which from when you're seeing this is the next video. So Friday this is going up, and then the following Friday we're going to be our next drift day. That's the next video you're going to see. So if you guys remember from the last drift day, I was kind of sliding all over the place, couldn't really hold myself in, wasn't enough bolstering in the stock seat, which is to be expected, to be able to actually slide the car comfortably and to be able to like feather on and off the throttle and like clutch kick when I needed to and all that sort of stuff. As soon as the car kind of went into a slide, I was holding myself with my legs and wasn't really using my feet, which is not ideal. So yeah, hopefully bucket seat will fix that issue, and hopefully we'll be able to do drifting a little bit better. It is kind of crap weather out today. I don't know if you can really tell, but it's overcast and it's supposed to rain, so kind of in a bit of a rush to get this done this morning. I guess it is kind of, yeah, it's literally raining right now, so we're gonna hurry up and get into this because I don't want the bucket seat to get wet. I really also don't want to be working in the rain. Should be a pretty quick job to get the seat in and out. I mean, it is a Beamer, so something could go wrong, but fingers crossed, nothing does. Sick. That is so dirty. Oh my god. That is so filthy. Have a look at that. We're not gonna clean it. No, because it's now raining. Shit. Alrighty, I brought everything into a more workable space because I don't like working in the rain, and I imagine you don't either, so I'm sure you can understand where I'm coming from. Shut up. I don't know what bolts these are going to go into, what holes, I guess. So I think this is going to be a bit of a trial and error, unfortunately, because it's a fixed seat rail, meaning it doesn't slide back and forth. I will have to like bolt it in semi all the way and then undo it, or put it in, see if it's in the right place, decide whether I want it forwards, back, left and right isn't going to be an option, and then go from there, sort of deciding what I want to do. Alrighty, obviously the front two bolts aren't done up, but I'm going to leave it like this, chuck it in the car and see if it's right, and then if it is, we'll go ahead and drill the holes in the front where I need them, and then bolt it fully in. Well, this definitely feels a little bit closer than I'd like it, and way off to the right. Like, this is very much not... I don't know. I don't really... Like, if I compare it to the Stag, it's horrible. But, like, how far away do I want this from me? I can't even, like... I feel like this is way too close to go in and chuck it around some corners. I'd have to drive it, I guess. I feel like I could get used to it, but if I'm throwing my arms, I'd probably want it a little bit further back. So we'll see if we can, I don't know how I'm going to be able to see if I can throw it back, but we'll see if we can put it back a bit, just to try and make this a little less comical. Yeah. Seems closer. How is that closer? Third time's the charm, surely. That's pretty much like everything maxed out now. It's as far back as it's going to go, and I'm going to have to drill holes in a spot where it's not ideal to have it on there. It'll still be safe because it's still going to be bolted in a firm location, but yeah, I think that's as good as it's going to get. Alrighty, got our holes drilled. As you can see, that little thing there and that one there. So it's basically just widen these out or down so that we can actually bolt them on. Or the bolts themselves, cut out some washers so that they fit in where they need to go, so that rather than relying on just this little bit of bolt sort of head there to actually hold the seat in, it's got all that more surface area to actually clamp down on. Alright, rail is on the seat. Let's go chuck it in the car before it starts pissing down really heavily. That one back left bolt took me so long to do. It's literally been like an hour, I'm not even kidding. We did it! Yay! Yep, seat's in well enough anyway. I'm going to pack up all my tools before it gets dark, and then we'll go for a quick drive, see if we can throw it around some corners and see if the bolstering makes any difference before Sunday. Yep, should be good. Feel me?
Yep.
I think this is going to be our only opportunity to do anything the whole night.
That's pretty good.
It feels really good.
Just don't hit the curb.
Okay, we're gonna get out of here before the cops come now.
Okay.
The seat feels pretty good. I'm pretty stoked at that. I also really just want to go send it now whenever it goes raining. Alrighty guys, that is it for this week's video. I hope you have enjoyed. If you did, leave a like down below, leave a comment telling me what you think, and don't forget to hit up the videos next week. We're going to be going to our very next drift day, and I'm super keen to that. The bucket seat felt great on the street, so it should feel fantastic when we actually hit the track. So I'm real keen to see how we go with that. I'm going to jump straight into editing now. At this point, it already feels like I'm going to be going to bed at 1 o'clock. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one where we're going to be drifting. I'll see you there. Bye.